All right, so Amazon oil pressure sensor for a 7.3 Power Stroke diesel. So we should just be able to swap it out. And anyway, these are a couple $100 O'Reilly's and AutoZone, but like I literally ordered this for $21. So worst case scenario is that it doesn't work real well, and yeah, so I'm gonna swap it really quick. I just gotta grab my bag of tools that I have in the back of the truck and find that socket. I might have to go in the house. I don't think so though. Actually, normally I have a tray of impact sockets that came from Harbor Freight way back when they used to be in a metal tray, and they go all the way up to like 32 millimeters. So anyway, this is probably about like 21 or 24, somewhere around there. Yeah, one on the truck might be completely different size too. All right, well, there's my tray of sockets. These were like, they used to sell them like this. It just keeps getting more banged up to where I ran it over one time too. Okay, we got 20. I got a 21 in my hand, and it ain't 21. It's like a lot bigger than 21. It's probably bigger than 24. I think it's about, boy, I don't know if it's that big. I guess it is, so 27. So that one, let's see what the other one is. The other one's down here. And the other one doesn't even work that way. I gotta put a socket on the end of the damn thing. Or excuse me, a wrench. A small wrench. Alright. So we're gonna unclip this, see how it's leaking. That contaminates it. So we gotta get in here. It's gonna be kind of hard, but I don't know, it looks like somewhere between a 10 and a 13. I don't think it's probably maybe 12. Here's another thing I've been using forever. I don't know if they still sell them. They used to be like $19 for Hyper Tough from Walmart. I'm gonna start with this 15. Let's see if we can get in there. It's gonna be a pain. So unfortunately, something that's supposed to be simple, we're gonna have to pull this alternator and get it out of our way in order to get to that. Good Lord. All right, now we can get it. What a pain. Thankfully, the alternator is pretty easy to change on this thing. This thing's filthy. Good Lord. Alright, so in goes the new one. Hopefully everything's the same. Hope we don't have any clearance issues with anything. Yeah, see, look at that. So you need a 27, but it's got to be kind of short because you get these fuel lines in the way. So you probably would end up having to pull the alternator anyway. I don't have a 27, so I'm gonna have to get a crescent wrench or something, or I need a 27 short. And I just get it in there. Not too snug. Now we should probably replace the pigtail, but I don't feel like doing it right now. Anyways, let's get the rest of this crap back in here. All right, there we go. So now we're gonna put the alternator back in, and then we'll be done. So thank you guys for watching. All right, we got that installed. let's see. Make sure it runs. All right. I don't know where it pulls the pressure off of, but look at this. 410,264.1 miles. And it might have been the original one, you never know. And then the only other thing we need to do is pop the hood back up again and just make sure there's no leaks, because that would be really bad. Thanks for watching, guys.